How to check what carrier is on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Scroll down and tap on Network Selection. Here, turn on the automatic switch at the top. After that, go back to the Settings page and tap on General. Then, go to About. On this page, scroll down to the Physical SIM section to check the network name. This is where your carrier name will be displayed. Following these steps, you can easily check what carrier is on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.